everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're going to be looking at one of our 40-pound gas fryers. This is going to be liquid propane fryer, okay? The company brand, it's going to be our own company, Cooler Depot, as you can see in the front of the unit, okay? Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the overall for this fryer, and then we'll go ahead and talk about more regarding this fryer. Okay, so we're going to start off with the length. For your length, you're looking at a total of 15.5 inches. Okay, 15.5 inches. Okay, we're going to go ahead and measure the wheels for you. As you can see, the fryer does come with wheels already installed. They also have breakers for front wheels. Okay, breakers. Overall height for just the wheels, you're looking at a total of 5 inches. 5 inches overall height for the wheels. Now, front to back, I'm going to go ahead and measure this for you. You're looking at a total of 30 inches front to back. Okay. Overall height, you're going to be looking at a total of 44 inches of the overall height for this fryer. Okay, so that's overall measurements for this gas fryer. Now we're going to go ahead and show you the front. As you can see, you also will be provided with baskets. Baskets will be provided. Measurements 6.5 by 13, and the inside bottom to top 6 inches. Okay, now if you go ahead and open up this door on the front, you'll be able to see labels for this fryer. You have your certifications, model, all the information regarding this fryer will be located on the front. Also on the inside, we have our burners, 3 burners for this gas fryer. You also have your oil drain on the front. You also have a thermostat adjuster right here on the very bottom where you can adjust for this fryer. Okay, so all the information, all this will be located on the front of the gas fryer. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and show you the back of this unit where you can locate your gas connection. Okay, so the gas connector is located on the back for this gas fryer. Okay, so this is going to be 40-pound gas fryer for liquid propane. If you're interested in one of these items, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this fryer. If you're interested in one of these fryers, you can simply give us a call and reach out, and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.